Hi children, welcome to Easy Economics. In this video, I am giving the important LAQs and SAQs for inter second year students, Board of Intermediate, Telangana State. So LAQs, from first unit, you have to learn two answers. They are difference between economic growth and development and characteristics of developing economies with special reference to India. So from these two, one will come in the final examination. And from the second unit, you have to learn causes of rapid growth of population and theory of demographic transition. From these two, one will come. So two are completed, two questions are completed to the final examination. By studying for two will come. And next, from the 10th unit, briefly explain the development and welfare programs of the government of Telangana. Write any 10 welfare programs of government of Telangana. Next, explain the irrigation facilities. While presenting the irrigation facilities on the Godavari river basin, any 5, on Krishna river basin, any 5 projects, please present to this answer. Okay guys, so in this way, by learning the two answers, you are able to attempt for one answer. So in this way, by studying these 6 questions, you are able to attempt 3 LAQs. And precautionary motive, you have to learn 1 unit extra, that is 5th unit. From the 5th unit, important questions are causes for low productivity in Indian agriculture and importance of agriculture in Indian economy. It is also called role and importance of agriculture. And the next question is causes and measures of rural indebtedness. Children, this question will be asked for 5 marks also. So it is a multi-purpose question. So by studying this, you are able to answer both the 5 marks question and as well as the LAQ also. Okay, if it is not asked for the 10 marks question, definitely it will be asked for the 5 marks. So from these 3, 1 LAQ and 1 SAQ will come in the final examination. I didn't write the SAQ. Okay guys, in this way, the average students, those who are unable to learn so many answers, so have to learn only 6 questions. They are first, from first unit 2, second unit 2 and 10th unit 2. And those who are able to learn some more, so have to concentrate on the 5th unit. So in this way, by concentrating on these 4 units, you are able to attempt finally in the final examination. So definitely you will get 4 questions from the 4 units. Only you have to attempt 3 questions. Now that is the reason average students have to concentrate on the first 6 questions. And those who are able, they will learn the remaining 7, 8, 9 questions also from the 5th unit. And nextly children, coming to the SAQs. From the 3rd unit, I think the questions are clear or not, I didn't know. Please, that is the reason I am explaining also. From the 3rd unit, 3 questions are there. From the 3, 2 will come in the final examination. The 3 questions are, first one is, explain the sectoral contributions of the national income. Means children, the contribution by the primary, secondary and tertiary sector to the national income will be explained with the help of the table in this answer. And next, different types of unemployment. Write any 5 types of unemployment. First you have to write the introduction to unemployment and later present any 5 types of unemployment to this answer. And next, consequences of the problem of poverty. For this answer also write the definition of poverty and next present any 5 points, that is consequences of problem of poverty. Okay guys, by studying these 3 you will get 2 questions in the final examination. Next one, coming to the 4th unit, write a note on Niti Aayog. First question is, this is a compulsory question in the final examination. So this is a compulsory question. Write a note on Niti Aayog. And next question from this unit is what is planning and explain. So definitely from these two will come in the final examination. And next, coming to the fifth unit, assess the impact of new agricultural strategy in India. It is nothing but green revolution, the impact of green revolution on the Indian economy. And write about the measures to provide food security in India. It is also a small answer. It is easy to learn, children. And the defects of agricultural marketing. It is also easy answer. Okay, by studying these three answers, you are able to attempt the 2 SAQs, children. 2 SAQs in the final examination. Next, from the 6th unit, this question is very important. Indicate the measures to solve the problems of small scale industries. So definitely it will be asked. Okay, learn this question also from the 6th unit. The next one, children, coming to the 7th unit, importance of tertiary sector. Explain about IT BPM services and what is National Infrastructural Pipeline 2020-25. Okay, by studying these three answers, importance of tertiary sector, about IT BPM services and National Infrastructure Pipeline, you will get 2 questions in the final examination from these three. And next, from the 8th unit, most important question is 3 are there, but most important is explain the role of international trade. It is also compulsory question. And next, coming to the 9th unit, in the 9th unit 3 questions are there, 2 will come. One is why should we protect the environment? And next one, this question also asked need to protect the environment. Need to protect the environment, and it will be asked like that also. And next one, importance of sustainability. Objectives are importance of sustainability. Next one, types of pollution. Water pollution, air pollution and soil pollution. Noise pollution, 3 types of pollution you have to write. So from these 3, 2 will come. Next, coming to the 10th unit, importance of Kaleshwaram project and education profile of Telangana state and health sector initiatives of Telangana and growth of IT and information technology enabled services in Telangana state. By studying 4, 2 will come in the examination. In this way, children, by learning all these answers, you are able to present the answers in the final examination. They are 2 to 4, and from 5th unit to 6. This is a compulsory question 7, 8, 9. This question is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So you are able to present 14 answers in the final examination. In bad situations also, children, you are able to attempt 12 answers. By learning these questions, you are able to attempt 12 questions. But actually we have to attempt 8 only. So that is the reason, children. Concentrate on these SAQs and try to get the good marks. Next, VSAQs. I will explain the VSAQs in the next video. I am not only giving the questions, I am explaining the total answer regarding VSAQs. Okay, children, I hope that this video is useful to you to prepare better for the final examination, and all the best for your final examination. And next video I will give the VSAQs with explanation. Thank you for watching.